Hello guys, good morning. Now, this is the chapter 13 class 10th mathematics statistics. Now, we have covered two chapters. Now, in this chapter we will cover median and their exercise 13.3. Now, what is the median? First point, what is the median? What do you understand? In class 9th we have covered this chapter median. Now, when we got even number, suppose that this is 100, then 100 by 2, 100 by 2, and find the value of 100 by 2th term and 100 by 2th plus 1th term. That means 50 and 51. So, what is the value of 50th term? What is the value of 51st term? That is, and if here we got two value, then add this, and divide by 2, we will get median. This was the rule for even value. Now for odd value, suppose that 9, then we will that will be very simple. Here we will add 1 and divide by 2, then we will get this will be the term 9. That means 9 1 10, 10 by 2, then 5th term. The value of 5th term will be the median, because for odd value there we will get two term. So for median, find the mean value, find the average value, that will be the median. Now this was the understanding related for ungrouped data. Now in this class 10th, we will solve the same problem with grouped data. This will be our understanding about. Here we will use this formula. Now this is number of data number and divide by 2. Here this is a cumulative frequency of preceding median class. Now this was the frequency of median class. Now h we have known about in mode class, class size in previous video. Now L will be the lower limit of median class. After practicing more question, we will have to clear about this point. Now we should solve the question number 1 of this exercise. So now the following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality. Find the median, mean, mode. So first we will find median of the data, and then we will find mean and mode, and then we will compare. Now because we have solved many questions related to mean and mode, now for median, CF is essential. For median, CF is essential. So first we should put a data for CF. Now here this will be 4, 4 and 5, this will be 9, 9 and 13, this will be 22, and 20 plus 22, this will be 42, and 42 plus 14, this will be 56, and 56 plus 8, this will be 64, and 64 plus 4 will be 68. This is the whole. Now That means 68 we have. If we add these, we can get 68. Clear? So what is the value, what is the formula of median? First we will have to write it, median, then we will give a clear understanding about these. Now here median will be, here L n by 2 minus CF, and here will be F and into H. Now what is the value of n by 2? Here this is n. Now n by 2 we will get n by 2, that means 68 by 2, which will be 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8. So we got value n by 2. Now this 34 where it is situated? Now this 34 where it is situated? At this. So this will be frequency. Now this is the model class. Now this is the whole understanding about this. Here the number of consumers, that means Fi. Now we have information about L. L will be lower limit. Here L will be lower limit. So here we will put 125, then plus put the value of n by 2, that n by 2 that will be 34 minus what will be the CF? CF, this is a this is the frequency. Now CF will be preceding class frequency, so this will be CF. Here this will be CF. Clear? So put 22 here. Now what is the value of F? F will be this. This is the value of F. So here put a value 20. Now what is the value of H? H is the size of the class. So there is difference, 5 5 8 6, that means 20. So put here 20. Clear? Now solve this. 125 plus here 20 will cancel out. 34 minus 4 minus 2, that will be 2, and 3 2 minus 2, that will be 1. So 5 2 7, 2 1 3, 137. This will be the median. Now we have information about median. Now we will have to find out the value of mode. Then what will be the mode? Mode will be the maximum frequency. Maximum frequency. So here mode will be very simple. Now mode here, this is the maximum frequency. So here L will be taken as 125. Then what we write? F1 minus F0. This will be F1 for, that means 20. Now F0 previous term. F0 previous term. So that will be 13. Now 2F1, 2 into 20 minus 13 minus 14. H will be the size will be 20. Now solve this. This is the whole understanding. Now 125, 20 minus 30, that is 7. 7 into 20, here 220, 40 minus 13, and 13 to 26, 27. Now 125 plus this will be 140 by 3, and 3 minus 2, that means 13. 120 plus 140 by 13. Now solve this. We will get, after solving, 13 10 ja 130, then we will get 10, here this will be 7 6. Now 135.76, this is the value of mode. Now what is the value of median? This now what is the value of mean? This is the lengthy process. Now again, first we should write the value of frequency. Here value of Fi. What is the value of Fi? That is 4, 5, 13, 20, 14, 8 and 4, and total value of this is 68 sigma Fi. Now here we will put Xi. Xi will be the midterm of this. Midterm, that means 65 and 85, that means 75. So there is difference between 20, so we will write directly for this value. Now look at here, this will be 75, here add 20, so this will be 95, 115, 135 and 155. This will be 175 and 195. This is the value of Xi. Now we should simplify because this is the big number, so Di will be Xi minus A. Now we should choose mid value for A, that will be 135. So this is 135. Now what is the value of Di? Di we can write here, subtracting 75 minus 135, that will be minus 60, this will be minus 40, and this will be minus 20, 0, reverse it, 20, 40 and 60. Now there is differences which is multiple of 20, so for ui we should write Di by 20. This is the H. Now if we divide with 20, we will get minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So we got the value ui. Now what is the value of Fi ui? Minus 12, minus 10, minus 13, 0, 14, 16, 12, and if we add, what we will get? Sigma Fi ui. What we will get? This will be value of 7. Here this will be cancel out, 12, here 16, then here, so we will get 7. Now what is the value of, for here we have information about everything. Now find the value of mean, that means x bar. What is the value of, put a, first way a will be 135, so this will be 135, then add. Here we should write this value 7, and here 68, multiply with h will be 20. Now solve this question. 135 and say 140 by 68, so 135, simplify this, we will get 2.058, then 137 and 058. Clear? This is the value of mean. So we have all value. This is the mean, mode and median. Clear? Now we should move on next question. Now if the median of the distribution given below is 28.5, find the values of xy. Here xy is missing. Now 28.5 lies on 2230. Clear? Now that means we have information about L. L is 20. Clear? Now on the basis of 16 we can find out the value of n by 2. Now first we, for median, will have to complete the table as CF. So add the value here 5, then 5 plus x, then this will be 25 plus x. Now 25 plus 15, this will be 40 plus x. Now here this will be 40 plus x plus y. Now this will be 45 plus x plus y. This is the whole understanding about CF. Now if this is a model class and we have information in I2, this is the frequency. This is the frequency. Now this will be the preceding frequency, which will be CF according to formula. Now put the value first. First we should write the formula here for median. Median, there is L plus n by 2 minus CF into H. Here put F. Now put the value of L. What is the, here 28.5 is given that as a median. So median is given that is 28.5. Now L is 20. Now L is 20 plus here n by 2, that means 60 by 2 minus CF is 5 plus x. Now this is 20, and what is the size of, here size of, that means H will be 10, difference between. Now this multiply with 10. Solve this first. Here we will get 8.5. That means here we will get 30 minus 5, here 30 minus 5 minus x by 2. Now this will be 8 to the 16 to 5 to 10, that means 17, and this will be 25 minus x. Now x will be 25 minus 17, that will be 8. Clear? Now what will be the value of y? That is the question. Now we know this 60 is equal to this 60. Clear? If we add, last value will be the total number of frequency. Now this is 60, so put the value of x here. Now put the value of x here, then we will get the value. Now 60 equal to 45 plus x is 8 and y. Then y will be 60 minus 45 minus 8. Then solve it. What will be the value? Here 60 minus 53, that means we will get 7. So x is 8, y is 7. This is the missing term. Now we have to move on question number 3. Now this is third question. A life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of age of 100 policy holders. Calculate the median age if policies are given only to persons having age 18 years onwards but less than 60 years. Now here is age in years. Now here number of policy holders. Now this is not in class interval, that means in irregular way. So but there is a clue. If policies are given only to person having 18 age, so we should start this, we should arrange this as a class interval. So we should write here 18 to 20, and here this will be 20 to 25, and this will be 25 to 30, and this will be 30 to 35, and this will be 35 to 40, and this will be 40 to 45, and this will be 45 to 50, and this will be 50 to 55. So this will be 55 to 60. Now here for your kind information, if anybody take the policy, life insurance policy, then it start from the age to lifetime. That means here the policy holders which has this is like a CF, because if this person is for lifetime, so above 60 years, here it will be calculated as. So this is the given information about CF. Clear? Now here is the last value, which is the total number of. Now if we try to find out the value of the frequency, then for CF we add it. For F we should start from below. 100 minus 98, here will be 2 come, then 6, then this is the process. Now but it is not necessary to find out the median age, then we will use this condition. Now for first we should write the formula for median. What is the formula for median? This will be L. Now here this will be n by 2 minus cf, here f into h. This is the whole understanding. So what is n by 2? Here 100. For n by 2, we can write 100 by 2, that will be 50, and 50 comes in this here, then this will be class model, and 35 will be the value of 35 will be the value of L. So first we should write value of L, that is 35. Then what is the value of n by 2? That is 50. Now what is the value of CF? For CF we should move on preceding frequency, because this is a PCF as well. So CF, this will be CF, so we should write what will be the value of CF. This will be 45. Now what is the value of F? What is the value of F? Here F is given, we should write the value of F. What will be here? CF is given that, but there is no about F column, so we should find out. How can we find out? If we subtract 78 minus 45, we will get, because for frequency we should start from below. Here this will be 100 minus 98. So in this way, this will be 78 minus 45. So F will be 78 minus 45, and class of size is 2. I got the value. Now here is something different, because it is started from 80 but 18, but according to question, but difference is here 5. So we should write 5 as length. Now solve this. 35 plus here 50 minus 45, that will be 5. Here 5 into 5. Now 8 minus 5, that means 3. 7 more, that means 33. Now 35 plus 25 by 33, this is the. Now calculate the value. Here 35 and plus 0.76, so 35.76, this will be the median age. So we should move on next question, question number 4. Now the length of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to nearest millimeter, and the data of sand is represented in the following table. Here given, find the median length of the leaves. Here hint always given that. Here given that, that means there is difference. This is in regular, not in continuous. So first we will have to make continue series. So there is only one way. Here hint is given that dot 5. If we move left and right, if we move, then we will be able to find out the continuous series. Now first we should write here a class interval. Now this will be 117.52. Here this will be 126, given that 126.5. Now here this will be 126.5. Now here this will be 135.5. This will be 144.5. This will be 153.5. Now this will be 162.5 and this will be 171.5. Now here this will be the same things, 135.5. Now this will be 145.5, 144. Now this will be 153.5. Now this will be 162.5. This will be 171.5. Now this will be 180.5. This is the difference class interval. Now here if is given that, now if I is given that, now find the CF. What will be the CF here? That is the very simple. Here 3 5 3 8 9 8 17 17 2 19 19 10 29. That means, so this will be 34 and 34 38. Now 38 40 here CF. That means if we calculate this value we will get 40, and here this is given that. Now first n by 2, that means 40, 40 by 2, that means 20. Where 20 is situated, calculate the value, then we will be able to find out the realistic answer. Now here where is 20? Here 29. Now this and this class is essential to find out anything. Now first we should write the formula for median. Here this is the median. Now here L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. This is the formula. Put the value of L. L is 144.5. So put here 144.5 plus here n by 2 we have calculated, which is 20. Now minus CF. What is the value of CF? This is the preceding frequency CF. This is 17. Here put the value of CF. Now what is the value of F? This is the F. So here 12 into what is the value of, what is the size of this? Calculate the size, which is, that means here the size is 9. Now solve this value. 144.5 plus 20 minus 17, that means 3 into 9 by 12. Now 144.5 plus 3 4 is 12, so here 4, 9 by 4. Now what is the value of 144.5? Here 4 2 is 8 and 4 2 is 8, 4 5 is 20. Now calculate the value here. Here what will be the value? That means 146.527 and 5. This is the median. Now move on next question. Now fifth question, the following table gives the distribution of the lifetime of 400 neon lamps. Okay, here given that this is a continuous form. Now clear. Now this is Fi. Now calculate the value of CF for median lifetime of lamp. Now here 14 put, then for 56 we will add, then we will get 70. If we add this we will get 130. Now if we will get we add it, we give we will get to 16. Now this will be 290. Now this will be 352, and now this will be 400 if we add. Clear? Add this. Now for n by 2, 400 by 2, that means 200. Calculate everything for this. Now for this, where is 200? Now 200, that means here. So here, here and here, and calculate the length. Now for this we should use the formula median, that will be L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So L is given that, what is the value of L? That is 3000. This is the L. So 3000 plus n by 2, that is 200 minus CF. CF is 130. So this is CF, preceding frequency. Now 130 into H. What is the value of H? Calculate the. This is 500. Clear? Difference is 500. So 500 here, 500. Now what is the value of F? F is 86. Now calculate the value. Here 3000 plus 200 minus 130, that means 70. Here 500. Here 86. Now solve this. After solving, we will get 346 and 976. Clear? Now we should move on next question, question number 6. Now this is 6th question. 100 surnames were randomly picked up from a local telephone directory. And the frequency distribution of number of letters in the English alphabets in the surnames was optioned as follows. Now number of letters 1, 4, 4, 7, 7 to 10, 10 to 13, 13 to 16, here given 6, 30, 40. So this is class interval and this is Fi. Now determine the median number of letters in the surnames. Okay, find the mean number and model size. Everything we'll have to find out. So don't worry. Here we will shortcut we will use. Now number of letters is given that, number of surnames is given that, then find CF for, and this here calculate the value of CF according this. Here find out the everything. We will make table as well. So don't worry to calculate. Now we'll have to change here. Okay. Now what is the value of CF? So first we should write 6, then 6 and 30, that will be 36. So put here 36 and 36 here again, put add it, that will be 76, and for this will be 92, and add it 96. Now this will be 100. Now this is CF. Now what is the value of XI? Mid value of this. But for median we have to need only CF. Now first we will find out the median. Okay, here median will be L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Okay, what is the value of L? So maximum here 100, then first we should write in this way. Here n by 2, that is 100 by 2, that means 50. Where is 50? Where is 50? Here 76, portion 76. Clear? So this and this will be useful? No, because we have written preceding frequency, because we have left to right we are working, so that will be 36. Okay, so this will be useful. Now what is the value of L? L is 7, so put here 7 plus 50 minus CF. What is the value of minus C? This is CF, so put here 36. Now what is the value of F? That is 40, so put here 40. What is the difference between this? This is 3, that which is H. Now solve this. 7 plus 50 minus 36, here 4 into 3 by 40. Then 7 plus 4. Now we have calculated the median. Now what is the value of XI to calculate any other value? Now for mode, this is the maximum frequency, so we will use to find out the first, we should find out the value of mode as well. Clear? So we will you find out the value of mode. So here we will use this pen, mode. This will be formula L plus F1 minus F0 to F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So calculate the value. What is the value of L? There is maximum frequency which is given, that 40, so we will use 7 as a L. Now plus put the value of F1 according to this statement. If we write this way, so this will be F1, this will be F0, this will be F2. So F1 will be 40, so here put 40 minus this will be 30. Now here 40 minus 30 and 2 into 40 minus 30 into 30 minus 16 into H. H, what is the value of H? H is length is 3. Now calculate this. colon this 7 plus 40 minus 30, that means 10 into 3, here 80 minus 6 and 314, 46. So what will be the value? 7 plus 30 by 80 minus 46, 4, and this will be 3. So after solving we will get 7.88. This is the answer of mode. Now one thing is remaining, because this is the very lengthy. Now here calculate the value of x I. Okay, so don't worry, we will cover everything. Now here 1 4 mid value of 1 and 4, what will be mid value? This is, that means 4 1, here 4 1, and this is 2.5, and this is 5.5, and this is 8.5, this is 11.5, and this is 14.5, and this is 17.5. Now what is the value of di? Xi minus a. So first we should choose mid value. We will choose mid value, this. So di minus xi minus a, here if we subtract we will get minus 9, minus 6, minus 3, 0, 3 and 6. Then for ui, di by h is taken as multiple of, that means 3. Here put the value of ui, 3 3 is 9, so minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, and 3 2 is 6, so 2. Now here fi and xui, so here we will extend this portion here. Now fi ui, what will be? Here this is fi and here this is a ui. So first multiply this will be minus 18, and this will be minus 60, and this will be minus 40, and this will be 0, this will be 4, this will be 8, and if we find out the sum of what is the value of sigma fi, sigma fi ui, this will be minus 106. Now calculate the value of mean, that is x bar. This will be a, where what we used as a 11.5. okay, here put the value 11.5, then plus minus 106 by 100 and h, which is 3. So 11.5 minus, after solving we will get 3.18. Now here it will be 8.32. This is the answer of mean. Now move on next question. Now this is the seventh question. The distribution below the weights of 30 students of class, find the median weights of the students. Okay, this is weight which is a continuous. Now number of student is given that, so this will be fi. Now this will be class interval. Now here first for median we should calculate to cf. This will be 2 2 3 5 5 8 8 13. So 13 6 19 and 19 6 25 and 25 3 28 28 to 30. So this is, now from this we will calculate n by 2, 30 by 2, that will be 15. So where 15 is situated, this is the point. Here 19. So here preceding, that means CF, for CF we should move on before ln, because if we write in vertical 13 will come. Now here F, here lower class. Now everything we have, and we have a length. Now then how can I calculate this value? For median we will use the formula, that is L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Okay. Now here put the value for this. L is given that, which is 55. Now n by 2, which is 15, CF is 13, H is 5, and this F is 6. Now calculate this value. Here 55 plus 15 minus 13 will be 2 by 6 into 5. So 55 plus 2 3 just 6, so 5 by 3. Now 55, then this will be 3 1 ja 3, 3 6 ja 18, and so because there 1 by 3 is non terminating, so now this will be 50. Here this will be 56. Okay, so we should write here 56.67. This will be answer, median. Now we have covered whole exercise. Now thank you guys.